Birds are here asking for more croissant because we fed them some butter croissant. Now they're here fighting for the croissant. Hey, birds! Birdies! So cute, look at this birdie.
They're looking
Oh,
for our food.
so cute. Jumping, it's so cute. Jump, 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 birdie. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Look how fast they are. Oh, so cute. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, come. Wow, look at this birdie, Ella. She's so puffy.
I know.
Why are you so puffy?
It's
Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh.
It's so puffy.
You're so puffy, birdie.
Probably that's how she shows fear.
Oh, fear.
Oh, she's not.
Or maybe she's coming close, but at the same time, she's like, I'm puffy and big. You cannot eat me. You cannot cold me. See, there are some more there. See?
More puffy one?
No. But that bird, I think it was showing that I'm not that tiny. You can't hurt me.
But he was.
I know, right?
He just puffed up his fur.
Mm-hmm.
Just pop.
Okay, birds, enough for lunch. Come back for dinner. Dinner will be served in 4 hours.
Oh, that's so hard.